नेक्स्ट वन इज अ डिक्शनरी टेक्निक। तो नाम से ही क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए, दिस टेक्निक इज बेसिकली वर्क ऑन द डिक्शनरी बेसिस। जो हम डेली लाइफ में अपने डिक्शनरी यूज करते हैं, ऑन दैट कॉन्सेप्ट वी कंप्रेस आवर डेटा। ठीक है, लाइक एज ए कि इन मेनी एप्लीकेशन द आउटपुट ऑफ द सोर्स कंसिस्ट ऑफ रिकरिंग पैटर्न, मीन्स कंटिन्यूअस वी कैन रिपीट द पैटर्न ऑफ द आउटपुट सोर्स। Like as we find the alphabets, we find the meaning of apple. What is the meaning of apple? Then A double P, it may be possible that A double P may be occur more than one meaning, and again continuously it will be possible that there are 10, 20, 30, 40 meanings will be start from AP. सो यहां पे यही कहा गया है कि इन मेनी एप्लीकेशंस द आउटपुट ऑफ द सोर्स कंसिस्ट ऑफ रिकरिंग पैटर्न। लाइक एज एग्जांपल, a text source in which certain pattern of words recur constantly. Also there are certain patterns that simply do not occur. If they do occur, for example, we can be reasonably sure that word Limpopo occur in very small fraction in the text of the existence. So dictionary based algorithm or dictionary technique will be applied where the letter of occurrence is frequently basis, or occurrence of letter on frequently basis. So we can apply dictionary technique to solve these types of problem. Like as a, to read this paragraph, suppose source alphabet consists of 26 letter. Yes, English language contain 26 letter, and the punctuation marks, like as a punctuation marks is a comma, period, exclamatory marks, question marks, semicolon and colon. In other words, the size of input alphabet 32. Like as we have take 26 English word and 6 punctuation marks. Then we have a total 32 alphabets. If we were to encode text source one character at a time, treating each character as an equally likely event, we would need 5 bit per character. How we find the 5 bit? 2 की पावर 5 and 2 की पावर 5 is equal to 32. So 2 की पावर 5 means we can say that 5 bit per character. So we take 5 bit per character. ठीक है? Suppose we have a 256 character like this. Then we have how many number of bit per character? How many bit? 8 bit. 2 की पावर 8 is equal to 256. Then we take 8 bit per character. Suppose we have taken 512 characters at a time. Then we need 9 bit index for 512 characters. If we take 1028 character, then we take 10 bit index for these characters. सो अगर हमारे पास 256 है तो हम उसके लिए 2 की पावर 8 दैट इज इक्वल टू 256, तो हमें 8 बिट इंडेक्स चाहिए। अगर हमारे पास 32 है देन वी नीड ओनली 5 बिट इंडेक्स। अगर हमारे पास 102 है देन वी नीड 10 बिट इंडेक्स। एंड व्हाट इज द these scenario will play a role in the latter case when we read static dictionary and when we need diagram coding. So when we need these two things, a diagram coding and static dictionary, then we follow the how many bit index to take to solve or to compress the problem. So this is the introductory part of the dictionary technique कि डिक्शनरी टेक्निक हम कहाँ पे अप्लाई करेंगे और कैसे अप्लाई करेंगे। Then dictionary technique can be again classified in static dictionary and diagram coding. So स्टैटिक डिक्शनरी की मीनिंग क्या है? लाइक एज ए नेमली कि कुछ चीजें स्टैटिक होंगी, मीन्स कुछ चीजें फिक्स होंगी, वो कभी चेंज नहीं होंगी. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द स्टैटिक. तो इन स्टैटिक टेक्निक it is especially suitable for use in specific applications, like as if the task were to compress the student record at university. A static dictionary approach may be the best. Why? Because we know that time that certain words such as name and student ID are going to appear in all the cases. Like as we have a 60 students in our class, then for all 60 students, name and student ID, like a name as a name always will be in the character format, and student ID, it may be that it will be character or integer or combination of character and integer. ठीक है? Or we can say that suppose we have a record of second year and credit score, so it will be often possible that it occur every student that this student belong to the second year and the credit score is 3, 4, 5, 26, 27, which may be possible. So depending on the location of the university, depending on the record of the university, certain digit in the roll number are mostly likely to occur. Like as a for in your case, like as a you are reading Buddha Institute of Technology, then your roll number began with the 5 to 5. And this 5 to 5 is common for all the students. Okay? So in fact, most entries will be the recurring in nature. Why? Because 5 to 5 again repeat for the second student and it will again repeat for the other student. In this situation, it is highly efficient to design a compressed scheme based on the static dictionary. ठीक है? So when it is possible that we need a recurring pattern of alphabets, when we need a occurring pattern of characters or symbols, then we apply static dictionary. And if these schemes were to be used with different applications, they may cause an expansion of the data instead of compression. Means if the occurrence of these patterns is not possible, like as we have a record where everything is in different format, there is no recurrence in the given series, and we apply static dictionary, then this is a waste. Why? Because if we want to compress with the static dictionary in this case, then it is possible, it may possible that instead of compressing the data, we can decompress the data. Means we need to more memory, more storage capacity in compare of before compression. So जहां पे frequently occur नहीं करता है, means we cannot apply static dictionary. In that case, we apply diagram coding. ठीक है? When we cannot apply static dictionary, then we can apply diagram coding. So let us see what is diagram coding. We have an example. Firstly, what is the diagram coding? First, पहले हम एक एग्जांपल समझ लेते हैं, उसके बाद हम आएंगे थ्योरेटिकल पोर्शन पे कि व्हाट इज द डायग्राम कोडिंग. सपोज वी हैव द सोर्स विद द 5 लेटर्स, दैट इज ए बी सी डी एंड आर. सो हमें इसे कंप्रेस करना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ डायग्राम कोडिंग. सो बेस्ड ऑन द नॉलेज अबाउट द सोर्स वी बिल्ड द डिक्शनरी शोन इन द टेबल. लाइक ऐसे कि दिस वन इज अ जीरो सीरीज. अगर हम इंडेक्सिंग फॉर्मेट में करें, this one is a zero index, 1 2 3 4. ठीक है? So A, B, C, D, E. These one is the alphabets, and the entry or the binary code of the corresponding alphabets given in the table. Suppose we wish to encode the sequence that is this one, हम इसको encode करना चाह रहे हैं, then what is the encoded format? This one, A B R A C A D A B R. अल्फाबेट्स दिए हुए हैं एंड कोड करस्पॉन्डिंग टू दैट अल्फाबेट्स हमारे टेबुलर फॉर्मेट में दिया हुआ है. वी वांट टू कंप्रेस दिस सीक्वेंस. सो वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड दैट इज ए, एंड हम ये देखेंगे कि क्या यहाँ पे कहीं ए अकर कर रहा है. यस, वी फाइंड द कोड ए फॉर 000. ओके फाइन. अगेन हम ये फिर से चेक करेंगे दैट ए बी फिर से कहीं पे अकर कर रहा है. Yes, we have an occurrence of AB that coded is 101. Okay, fine. मिल रहा है अभी भी. फिर अगेन चेक करेंगे कि A, B, R भी कहीं पे मिल रहा है. तो पूरे टेबुलर फॉर्मेट में कहीं पे भी हमें A, B, R नहीं मिला. इन दैट केस हमारे पास restrictions है कि we have take only 2 symbol at a time. That is AB. Because ABR के लिए कोई हमारा कोड नहीं है. So we take only AB, and AB के correspondence जो binary code है that is 101. तो हम 101 AB के लिए कोड कर देंगे. That is the encoded format of AB, that is 101. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
again we take R. Okay, fine. Here we have a word R, which code is 100. ठीक है. Again we take another symbol RA. RA. So there is any entries for RA? No, there is not any entries for RA. So we have a restricted condition then that we take only R. So the code for R is 100. So initially the code for AB is a 101. This one is a 101. We take this 101. Again, this R we have a code 100. So this R we have take code 100. Again fine. Again इतनी कहानी हमारी हो गई. So again हमारे पास बचा that is A. Okay, A के लिए कोड है. Fine. Again we take another symbol A C. So there is any symbol AC? Yes, we have a code 110. AC के लिए 110 है. Fine. Again we take A another symbol, so it will be ACA. There is any code for ACA? No. हमारे पास कोई भी ACA के लिए कोड नहीं है. So there is a restriction that we can take only AC, and AC के लिए कोड हमारा क्या है? That is a 110.
110.
Take only 110. Clear? Again we go on the
Yes,
A. Yes, we have a code for A 000. Fine. Again we take next symbol D. Then this will be AD. Is there any code for AD? Yes, 111. ठीक है. फिर से एक और सिंबल लेते A. So it will be ADA. So there is any symbol for ADA? नहीं, हमारे पास कोई ADA का नहीं है. इसलिए we can use only AD, and AD का कोड हमारा है 111. So this one is a 111. तो 111 का हमारा कोड मिल गया. तो इसको हम अप्लाई 111. We have applied 111. Okay, fine. This AD will be completed. Again we take for code A. Yes, A के लिए कोड है. Again we take another symbol B. Yes, AB के लिए भी है कि नहीं है? 101. Again we take ABR, but ABR के लिए नहीं है. So we have a restrictions on AB. So we take code AB, and AB के लिए कोड हमारा 101. So we take 101. Again we have a B. Yes, there is a code for AB. AB is a 101. I think it is confirm हो गया. AB हमारा है. Then we take R. R के लिए कोड हमारा 100 है. Again we take another symbol RA, but RA यहाँ पे नहीं है. So we can take only R. तो R के लिए कोड क्या है 1000, so we can take 1000 code for the R. Fine. Again A के लिए एंट्री 10, A की एंट्री 000 है, फिर A की एंट्री हमने 000 एज इट इज कर दिया. So this one is the which code? This one is a diagram code. So with the help of diagram, we can encode of the given symbol. So after the encoding of this sequence, we find the encoded format in the binary. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.